Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll talk about basic Flutter widgets that you need to know when you start your Flutter journey. So we'll start with the text widget. Uh, if you type text and if you provide a message with the text, and if you run the project or you reload the project, the text will be displayed in the UI screen. So as we can see here, I have created a stateless widget called home screen, and in the home screen I have given a text in the body, and if I reload the project, the text is displayed in the UI screen. Now to modify its style, we can provide style, and we can provide a text style object, and on the text style object, if we provide different parameter like font size or font weight, based on it, this will be displayed. Next widget, let's talk about the widgets related to image. So based on image, we have two kind of widgets, that is image asset and image network. So in the image asset, if you provide the asset image path, that image will be displayed in the screen. So as per you can see here, I have few asset images. I'll be providing one of the asset image path to the asset image, and if I reload the project, the asset image will be displayed. Now let us talk about image network image, that is image.network. So before that, let me get an image from the internet. So I'll be browsing for an image from index.com, and I'll be copying that image URL simply. Let me get that appropriate image URL. Yeah, so I got that appropriate image URL, and I'll be putting this image URL to my network image. And if I uncomment the code and reload this project, this network image will be displayed in the UI screen. So what I did here, I just given the image network widget, and I have provided that URL. Next widget, let's talk about that is multi-child widget. That means you may have to provide multiple children or multiple widget you can provide inside that widgets. So based on children of the widget, there's two kind of widget we can differentiate, that is single child widget or multi-child widget. So list view is one of the multi-child widget where we can provide multiple widget inside the list view. So as you can see, I have provided few asset image, and that is getting displayed in the form of list. And the main usage of this list view is kind of having the scrollable property. So if you provide the list view and provide multiple children, that widget will be kind of scrollable. There are few multi-child widget that we will be discussing later. But for now, let us understand about this list view. So to understand this list view more, I have provided a list style, and I'll be providing a leading and title. Those will be kind of widget, and we'll see how this list view actually works. So let me copy this multiple times and remove this asset image, and let me paste this list style over again and again. So you can see we have this list style displayed in the screen. So let me remove them for now. And based on that list view, there is two kind of scrolling direction. As I said, this is kind of widget that is scrollable widget. So we can put that scroll direction. Either we wanted to make it horizontally scrollable or vertically scrollable. So we can use the scroll direction property to make it horizontally or vertically scrollable. So let me grab some asset image to make the clear picture how this horizontally or vertically scrollable things work. So I have taken an asset image, and if I scroll a little bit, so you'll see these images are horizontally scrollable, as I have provided a scroll direction as axis.horizontal. Okay. Now let me remove the comment that list view, and we'll be now discussing few other multi-child widget, that is column and row. So as per the name suggests, columns will be laying out the widget vertically and row will be laying out the widgets horizontally. The difference between list view and column, that is mostly column is not scrollable. So if you don't want the view to be scrollable, you can use column, and if you want the view to be scrollable, then you have to use the list view. So if you can see here, I have just given a column widget, and inside the column widget I have provided few asset image, and this asset image are one above other. They are the vertically aligned actually, and we have two properties called main axis alignment and cross axis alignment. Based on it, we can align those widget directions. So there has few concepts based on main axis alignment and cross axis alignment. We will not discuss in this video. Maybe in some other video we'll be discussing. But this is also too important thing to understand actually. We have the next widget called row. As per you can see, the row is mostly the widget alignment will be horizontally, so it's opposite to column. As you can see, I have provided a row and I have given few asset image over there, and these images are laid out horizontally. So for better understanding, let us take some small images. Yeah, let me put that small images over here as well. Let me just reload it. So you can see these assets images, which they are getting aligned horizontally. So if there is some use cases, we have to put the widget horizontally, we can use a row over there. So if I grab few other assets, let me get few other asset as well. Okay, let me reload this project. Then I'll have that understanding. As few images, maybe path is not correct. That's why it's not loading. It's throwing some exceptions. Oh yeah, now you can see I have given three images, and that those are displaying horizontally. So this was mostly row that we can use. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for the watching. If you have any suggestion, please write in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thanks everyone.